So, wondering why there's so many tendon stretches in Pilates? There are so many tendon stretches in Pilates, but this particular one happens to be when you're doing footwork, and it's often considered a calf stretch, but it's not. Right? Like, why can't it be a calf stretch? But it's actually an exercise that teaches your legs how to connect to your center, and you'll actually feel a lot more seat, inner thighs, lower abs, like lengthen, stretch, and really work that down stretch. So if you're struggling with things like horseback, this is a great exercise. If you're wondering why there's flexes in some exercises and points in exercises, this is a great way to learn what your body can do and how it can reach through your feet on the mat and anywhere else in your practice. So there's so much going on in here. But we're going to focus on a variation of the footwork. So if you want to see actual footwork, you can check out that tutorial. And but this one we're going to do as a variation. So I'm going to do it on 2 springs, and instead of the normal 3 to 4, you will sit up just like you do for your normal tendon stretch, heels together, toes apart, press out and stay out there, reach the heels under, and then lift the heels back up. And what you're aiming for, right, that's the regular tendon stretch, is this connection to your outer hips, inner thighs, whole thing. But we're going to do a variation. So you're going to lower the heels. Keep reaching through those heels as you separate them. So now you're kind of pigeon-toed. You lift the heels up and you squeeze them together. And you want to do this in your hip sockets so that you feel this internal, external rotation. You reverse it. You're going to go down, up, open on the up, lower the heels as they're apart, and then squeeze them together to lift. And the trick is to not do it from the knee down, but to do it from the hip sockets. And you'll actually start to feel so much internal, external rotators working, which is going to help you in so much of your Pilates, because a lot of what we need to do happens in the hip socket. We tend to do it at the feet though. So if you're trying to get more connection to your center, this is a really good variation, because it doesn't just teach you that flex and point connection you get in Pilates, but you also get to learn how to rotate those hips inside the sockets from the muscles and not just like doing choreography. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how it feels in the comments below. If you're wanting to explore these exercises in a class with me, I'd love for you to check out onlinepilatesclasses.com. We have a members only group where I literally answer any questions. I can check out what you're doing. The members support each other. We hold you accountable to your practice. It's a lot of fun. So that's at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.